Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Today we discuss on 11 passive income ideas in 2024. So let's start. Uh, some common way to earn passive income include investing and starting a business that can mostly run itself. So first business idea for 2024 is real estate investing. So what is real estate? Real estate is a very great business for every investment. Earning regular rental income means you will need to purchase, prepare and manage a property. Whatever you renting it out for short or long term purposes, one established can provide you with a predictable income source. We discuss on second best idea for investment in 2024. Second best idea, investment in art or alternative investments. Investing some upfront cash can get you passive income since you won't have to do much other than watch your investment value go up and down. Asset from securities such as stocks and bonds. Consider alternative investment including physical, mental and even fine arts. What is third best selling or investment idea? Sell design or art online. Are you a photographer or love to draw? Consider setting up a website or on online marketplaces like eStay, where you can sell digital downloads of your artwork or photos. Platform like Squarespace, etc. Fourth investing ideas, investing in high yield saving account or certificate of deposit. A CD is basically a time high yield saving account. You put your money in for a little as 6 months as long as 5 years. When you deposit money, the bank will offer a certain investment rate which will be deposited regularly in your CD account. Fifth business idea, dividing stocks. If you purchase as dividing yielding stock, you will receive regular payment from the company. In most cases, company will pay out dividends and the most shares you own. The more dividends you will receive for those who did not want to pick individual stocks, you can consider dividing field and manual funds. Fifth business idea, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing happens when you share and recommended products to other and even commission each someone purchase the product. Popular way people share their affiliate links include social media, their website and emails, newsletters, etc. Seventh business idea for 2024, peer-to-peer lending. This type of business loans whereas peer lend money to borrowers. You will earn income in the form of interest paid back to help reduce risk of borrow default. You can spread out the money in your investment or lend to others. Eighth business idea, real estate investment trust. You can get a less trustful if less lucrative return on real estate investment with the real estate investment trust, which is a fund that invests in real estate and pay you a handsome dividends. Ninth business idea, rent our parking space. If you have a parking spot or space to park a car on your property that you will not using, you can cash in by renting it out to others. Some may want to park their cars when commuting to and from work or for the longer time, like if they have traveled. If you have the mean, you can even consider renting out a space for other to park large vehicles such as RVs or boats, etc. So, 10th business idea for 2024: rent out a room in your home. Instead of purchasing and renting out a whole home, you can start small in real estate investing by renting out a room in your home. It could be for a short term rental like Airbnb, several months, or even as a space for someone to store their items. So, last and final 11th business idea: create a online product. You will most likely need an active and dedicated audience who will buy our product. You can create online courses, ebooks, or even workspace workshops where you teach other a skill they want to learn. So, is 11 best business ideas for any investment. Guys, wait for next video. So meet in next video.